In front of me is POCO M8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off location. All you need to do is go into Tab menu. To do that, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen. Then look for location shortcut, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine turned grey. That means that location is disabled, but you can always enable it by clicking on the same shortcut until it's blue. If you can't find this shortcut, hit Edit at the bottom. Look for it here and add it thanks to green button at the top right corner. Then use this checkmark at the top right corner of your screen. If you have a bit more time though, you can always go into Settings, scroll all the way down and click on Location section available at the bottom. Then use this switcher next to Use Location to switch it off or turn it on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!